Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2013 Subaru Outback. I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper cover. It's going to be a very easy job. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so one of the first things we're going to do obviously is pop the hood. Then we have a clearer view of what we're doing up top here. We've got some push pins. Here, coming along, there, okay? So we're going to remove all these. And I'm going to put one in just a little bit, and I'm going to leave it like that. That's going to help hold the bumper so it's not going to fall off when I'm underneath there doing other stuff. So here we go. For these, all you do is take a small screwdriver, lift the center, and then we should be able to pull it right up. Let's see, there we are. So if you lift the center too far, it actually puts it back into the lock position. Okay, you have to have it about halfway. Put that there. We're just going to do this. And we'll come across the whole front here. We'll grab this one out of here. All of these are the exact same, so you can use whichever one you want. I'm just going to put this right in the center here and just leave it. I don't have to push it down or anything. Okay, now we're going to raise the vehicle. So we've got some push clips. We've got one here, here, and then the same on the other side. We're going to do the same as the top. Just try to pull out the center. See if we can drop it down a little bit. These ones are definitely more packed with dirt than the tops, of course. So they're giving me a little bit more of an issue. So we got all those out. Right here, there's another one. This one looks like it's broken off the bumper cover already, so I'm not gonna worry about that, but you should take it off if yours is still attached. One in the center, and there should be one here that's missing as well, so pop that out. Anyway, we'll get this one out, and then we're going to continue on to the other side and remove all those as well. All right, get the last one out. We'll bring it back down a little bit, and we'll get the bolts out from inside the wheel well area. Okay, got our last clip out. Now we can go ahead. We're going to get up in here. This should just come down a little bit. Right up in here, you can see where the fog lamps are, the assemblies. We can go ahead and turn this. There's our fog lamp bulb. If you wanted to replace the fog lamp bulb, all you do is just squeeze this little clip right here, disconnect it. And there's our fog lamp bulb. We'll set this aside for now. So right here in the corner of the bumper, there's another push clip. I'm just gonna use my pocket screwdriver like I've been doing. Give it a little twist, give myself some space to get my tool in there, my little forky tool. I love this thing. Get that popped. I'm just going to draw the clip out. There it is. Okay. Now we can slide the bumper cover off a little bit. Should come loose. We're going to do the same thing to the other side of the vehicle real quick, and then we should be clear to start popping this bumper cover off. So now I'm going to go ahead and grasp onto my bumper. I'm going to go from the side here. See if I can just kind of tug it out. Should want to pop right off, just like that. I've got my little clip in here. That's going to prevent my bumper from falling off and hitting the ground. Just put my hand in and behind. It seems like it worked pretty good on the other side. All right, here we go. So there we are. Now we've removed our front bumper cover. So now it's time to go ahead and install our bumper assembly. We're going to carefully bring it around. We don't want to scuff any paint. I'm going to keep it low on the sides. Bring it up. I'm just going to put one push clip in on the top for now. Leave it in here. That's just going to keep it from falling on me. Now we can go ahead and start lining everything up. Start with whichever side of the vehicle you want. This should just come right along, sit just underneath your headlamp assembly. Just gonna give it a little bonk. A little loving bonk. It's my thing. Bonk, bonk. There we are. Love it. Right over here. We're gonna do the same exact thing. I'm just gonna lift it up, get it into its little channel. So these little clippy-doos, they go on the upper channel in there. You've got the bottom channel with all the ridges, and then above that, you've got the next channel up. It goes in between that and your headlight assembly. So you wanna make sure those are sitting up on there. You wanna pull your bumper kinda tight, okay? Bring it around. You get some little clippy-doos over here on the sides. This clippy-doo needs to go up there. So we'll just give the bumper a little tug. Give it a little loving bonk. Bonk, bonk. Here we are. Perfect. All right. We'll go ahead and do some push clips here. Make sure everything stays where we wanted it. You can either start or finish with these, whatever you want to do. Like I said before, with these clips, if you pull this all the way up, it kind of locks these pitons out, okay? So you have to kind of make sure it's just floating there in the center somewhere so these pitons can sit in that groove. So if you're having a hard time putting it in, you probably have it either up too high or down too low. Once you get the perfect combination there, it just flows. We're gonna put in our little push clip inside the fender well here. See if we can get it, everything lined up. Oh. I'm gonna see if I can push this in. There we are. This is, your inner fender well should run inside your bumper cover. If you notice it's sitting out, just pop it in. We'll do the same thing to the other side of the vehicle real quick. We'll continue up with it and we'll finish up along the bottom. So here we are, we've got our fog lamp. Just gonna connect it back in. This is an H11 bulb. Put it in under here. There it is, locked in. Feels great. Let's tuck it in. Just gonna go like that, like that. There we are. Okay, we'll do the same thing to the other side, and then we're gonna go ahead and put in some push clips. We've got some push clips. Just gonna go ahead and try to put them in. Give it a little twist if you have to. Push in the center. These things are nice and clogged up with dirt, debris. There should be one here. This one was broken. We didn't remove it.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.